Yan guys, my green pea start blooming now. May bunga na. Ayan. Not much, but it starts blooming. Ayan. Ganda ng flowers. Ayan. Beautiful. I'm so happy indeed. Ayan. Ayan. Punta ka dyan para hindi ka man. And my Swiss chards, makahappy na. Ayan. Pwede nang gulay-gulayin at maglaswa-laswa. Ayan. Beautiful and so healthy. Ayan. I have few corn. I don't know kung magbunga pa yan siya before the end of August. Ayan. Another kind of peas from Rizal. Ito siya. Nagbulaklak na rin. Ayan. Ano ba yung ayan guys. Kahit pa paano, mayroong din gulay-gulayin. Konsumo pang winter. Ayan, my tomatoes are flowering now. Blooming now. Ayan. So happy. Beautiful. I'm so happy. Nag-ulan. Thanks for the rain. Thanks for the rain. And my few, what is this? Cucumber in my beans, long beans, green beans and purple beans. Ewan ko kung bunga yan. Oh. Puppy love is everywhere. She bloom beautiful. My Philippine squash. Hello Philippine squash, mamunga ka na bago mag-winter. Kung hindi, wala. My upo. Ay, look, my upo. She's blooming now. She have frost. Hope you will survive the temperature, the sudden change of weather. Ayan, and also that, I have a small one. Dami na nilang bunga. Ayan, hope will success ang bunga. That is bottle gourd, opo, at kalabasa. At meron pa. My one cucumber here. She start blooming now too. Maka-harvest pa ako niyan before the end of the month. Thanks for watching guys. Love Nancy.